Good morning, folks. Dean here from Southwest Adventures. We and I going on this morning. The only challenge we have right now is mosquitoes. Plenty of them. Right here, all around. So, we're in a mangrove forest. Myself, my boy Caleb. Morning, Caleb.
Morning.
Oh, you good?
Good.
Nice. Good. Keep your eyes sharp, right?
Yeah.
Now, these iguanas are masters of camouflage, people. So you've got to look really, really good for them. I'm about to line up in point there. So right on the water edge, you're looking for them. Now one of the means of escape is the water. Eh? So they will tend to lodge over the water, and once the opportunity presents itself, they will throw into the water. That is one of the means of escape. So keeping our eyes sharp. Keeping our eyes sharp.
Are you going to
You good, Dylan? Go ahead, William. Fetch it, eh?
You catching them there?
Hit him?
Yes,
I get you. Killer, just average the head now. Go see the head.
That's what's in there.
Go up, go up, go up. Good, good, good. You seen that?
Must see him with his scope.
Yeah.
Right, take.
Come back over.
Now come back on this side. Because you kinda. Give me the gun, Nick.
You load it. Yeah.
Good. Got him? Raise him up nicely, man. Nice fellow, look at him. Monster. Right. You right? Pick him up, let me see. Hey, something sticky in the glove, let me see. Take it out, take it in. Raise him. Nice fella, boy. You look. How you feel this morning?
Good.
Right, folks, so we are here in a mangrove forest, Southwest Adventures. We're trying to see if we can spot an iguana or two this morning, right? Now, iguanas are masters of camouflage, right? Got a spider there. Let me see if I can get a zoom on him here. Hey, spider, what's up, man? You guys see them? Oh, yeah. Nice fella. So we're here in this mangrove forest, trying to see if we can spot an iguana. It's a beautiful, beautiful experience to be here, to interact with nature. Always a pleasure. Fresh air, the chirping of the birds in the background. Really, really nice. So we are amongst what we call the black mangrove. If you look carefully, you will see the root system of the black mangrove. This is what it looks like. They are called neem metaphors. and it acts as a snorkel to breathe when the lagoon gets filled up. Right, so normally this area is usually covered in water. Right, so let's see how it goes. Okay, they're moving through there. So you gotta keep your eyes sharp because they are very, very good at camouflaging. They are actually among the leaves. Sometimes you might see their tail sticking out, their legs. So it's a cat and mouse game with us and these iguanas.
Now this fruit is called Bromelia caratas.
This fruit is called Bromelia.
It is edible. I've had it in the past. We would normally roast it to remove the fine hairs that scratches your tongue. But it can be eaten in a survival situation. We call it monkey fig in our part here in Southwest Trinidad. So I'm just sharing it with you guys.
Right? Good. Some rosewood people. Dangerous. Dangerous rosewood. Look at it, folks. Be careful coming through there. Be careful. Black rosewood people, look at it, look at it, look at it. Shooting, man. It's a balancing act, folks. Southwest adventures. You look sharp, folks. Better keep your eyes sharp. Because these gonals, masters of camouflage. Here in Trinidad, some people roast the iguana, right? So we roast it in fire like this. Use some coconut branch, as you can see here, and we roast the iguana, right? And then we scrape off the skin. Skip it, you saw it scraping off there? Alright, just like that. Yeah, nice. Nice and easy like that. Boy, kill him, know the drill, eh? You know the drill. Always stay open of the fire.
Yep.
You know the drill, eh?
When get, if I stay down when you get burned.
Yeah.
If I stay up in the fire, go burn.
Boy, kill him in action there. Roasting the iguana. I keep that fire going. Now, when you roast the iguana, people, it tends to give it that nice
Roast.
wild meat kind of roast flavor, right?
It's a
So,
smoky flavor.
yeah. So that's how we do it here. Skip on the chill now. Skip on the chill.
That's all.
Here, just give it all the thing again. No, hold it. Come, skip. Good. See how it coming off, people? See how it coming off? Nice. Nice. It takes a lot of time to strip it, yeah, people. It's a lot of work. You see how the skin coming out? Correct. Like so. Now, after we cut up the iguana, we use flour to wash the iguana. Now, what this does is actually absorb the blood from it, and of course, it's a process of getting rid of the freshness from it. If you look at the water carefully, you'll realize it's kind of turning a little bit, I wouldn't say red, but it looks kind of pink in color. So we will do this maybe about 2 or 3 times. 3 times, and then we will wash it, we will season it. So stay tuned for the next process. What happened here at Southwest Adventures? Well, folks, this is our iguana, properly well seasoned and left for marinating. Shadow benny, pimento, onion, garlic, green seasoning. As we just say, we're leaving it a kusume. So stay tuned, man. Look at it. Wow. Smells good. Well, folks, it's time to enjoy that green chicken. Right? We curry stew with some nice dumpling there, chunky. Alright, so. My boy Caleb,
Yeah.
bon appetit, man. How is it? How is it?
I just so far nice.
So far, nice, nice.
Nicely done.
So, survival skills, yeah? We're getting it to use. And nothing better than a nice curry stew going on with some nice dumplings at Southwest Adventures.